All right, number 7. Here we have a table. Which of the following is a factor? All right, so this is just purely conceptual. What we want to look at is factors are related. So we've got this kind of like relationship between factor, it's a two-way relationship, and zeros, or even we could call them roots. And the relationship is the factor, when you set it equal to 0 and solve that equation, the answer is what we would call a 0. And a 0 is also an x-intercept. So we've got to like just have this understanding of how all these are related. And if we get that, we attack this problem just by being like, okay, well, they're talking about factors and zeros, so I know that's x-intercepts. And I know x-intercepts are when the y value is 0. So I just look at this one, right? So this is the only thing I care about. That's the only x-intercept. So my 0 is 3, and that comes from a factor of x minus 3. Because if I set x minus 3 equal to 0, I would get 3. And I like to just think of it in my head is it's always x minus the 0. That's where the factor comes from. So factors that have like x plus in them, like look at answer choice D. Oh, let me just make sure we know that that's the answer. Factors like x plus 2 gives you a 0 of negative 2. But this still works because if I did x minus negative 2, it would turn to a plus. All right? So understanding that relationship, which is what I spent most of the time explaining here, allows you to do this problem again really, really quickly.